Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Super excited because we got to play a math game. What? That's right, math game. So this game is called Crossout. It's possible you've played it before, but if not, we're going to go over it right now. So the directions say, roll the number cube. What number cube? This number cube. That's right, we've got a number cube. So you are going to need your in your packet. Okay, it's going to say, the game is going to say cross out, and you're also going to need one of your dice. Okay, so what, boys and girls, what you want to do is slide this into your dry erase sleeve, which looks like this. Okay, if you need help from one of your parents, you can ask them. Okay, so you take it and you slide it in like this. That way you can write on it and erase. Okay, so you slide it in. Okay, so now it's inside of this. And you've got your dry erase marker. It has to look like this one. Don't use a different one because then it won't erase. Okay? And then you also need your dice. Alright, and then you've got your little blue eraser. Okay? So once you have your game Crossout inside your dry erase sleeve, you've got your dice, your marker, and your eraser, you're ready to go. Okay, so if you need to pause the video to get those materials, go ahead, all right, and then come back when you're ready, okay? Are you back? Are you ready? Okay, let's get this party started, shall we? So here's how this works. I'm gonna roll the dice, one of the dice that I have in my hands. Okay, I'm going to roll it. And that shows how much. I rolled a what? I rolled a 5. Right? You can see there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is called crossout. It says match that number on the paper and cross it off. Keep rolling until all your numbers are crossed off. Okay? If you play with a partner, then the last one to cross, you just take turns, and the last one to cross off a number is the winner. Okay, so I'm playing by myself because I don't have a partner. So I got a 5, so I would cross off the 5 like this. All right, and I'm going to roll again. So what this is doing, boys and girls, is it's helping you to recognize the numerals between 1 and 6. So that we know is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can cross off one of my 6s. All right. So I'm going to keep going. Oh, I got a 4. So I'm going to cross off a 4. Doesn't matter which 4 I cross off. I got a 3. That's interesting. I'm getting one of each. Let's see if I get a 2 this time. Oh, another 3. Okay. A 2. Okay, so a 2, I cross off a 2. Another 2, so I cross off. So I've already crossed off my 2s. So if I get another 2, I have to roll again. All right, so do you get the idea, boys and girls? There's another 4. I'm going to cross off this 4. Just because I feel like it. All right. Oh, another... What number is that? I can't hear you. What number is that? Number 6. That's right, number 6. I cross that off. Oh, there's a 4. Okay, so I keep going until I've crossed all of them off. If I roll and I don't have... Oh, there's a 1. If I roll and I can't cross anything off, then I just roll again. Okay, there's a 2, so I can't cross off a 2, so I just roll again. Oh, I got a 1, I can't cross that off, so I roll again. And a 2. And another 2. What is happening here, boys and girls? A 4. I can cross off that 4. Okay, so that's crossout. Super fun, fast, do it a few times, have fun with it. All right, and I'll see you at the next game. All right, bye-bye.